Okay. Thanks for coming to the event, guys. I appreciate you taking the time out. This is a very important day today. We're here at the BMW dealership, BMW of Columbia, because for the third year in a row, BMW of Columbia has won the award as Best Contributor to the BMW Car Club as an outlet center. And I am so proud. Zach Cairns is here. He's the parts manager. I wish that we could have had Sam Reynolds here, the general manager, but he'll get to see this video and the photographs that we're taking. But I want him and Zach, and I want to give a special thanks to all the client advisors for everything that they're doing to help us recruit new members to the club, all the parts guys that get parts for us, all the service advisors, and all of the mechanics. The whole dealership has been nothing but a real benefit to the BMW Car Club. And we're so proud to be here today to honor them with an appreciation luncheon. So we've bought lunch for all the employees of the BMW dealership today. All 40, you got 40 here, Zach? We got 40 employees here. We got a bunch of tacos for everybody, so we're gonna stay friendly. But also, I have an award here that I wanna give to Zach, and he can put it with the rest of the awards that we've given him each year for the last 2 years. This is the third year in a row, as I said a moment ago. Zach, thank you for everything that you do for the BMW Car Club. I appreciate it, all of our members appreciate it. You are a beacon in this car club, and I mean, thank you so much for everything that you do.
And as a dealership, we will continue to support our car club, all the benefits that we can provide, and we're all going to eat a lot of tacos today. So everybody here is really excited. Thank you very much.
Good deal. Thank you, Zach.